Okay.
She's too
You,
cute.
oh, wow, that zoomed in pretty too
Huh?
close. You were zoomed in pretty close.
I want to
Okay.
see Big Bird, not her.
Xena, how are you? Whoa, what's going on? You're a little excited, yeah? She doesn't care at all. Okay, you gotta hide me. You gotta hide me. I need a rest. That's all I need, just a little rest. She'll never find me, Jesse. She's used to seeing you with me. Oh, there she goes. Oh, there she goes. She saw it. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm so. Mark, get her. Get her, Mark. Get her. Get her. Get her. Get her.
Xena,
Mark.
Xena, give me that. Give me Big Bird. Give me Big. Good girl. Give me Big Bird. Ow! Ow! Xena! Xena, let go, Big Bird. Xena, Xena.
Open her mouth.
Xena. Xena. Let go.
How did Big Bird come to be in this house?
This is my Big Bird. Cookie, here, cookie. Here, cookie. Here, cookie. Here.
Yeah. It's got all saliva all over me. What's going on here? I can't take this. Look at this dog. He's not friendly, Ma. I think he needs to be in a hospital. He's crazy. Let me jump over him. Whoa! My mother can catch. Ready? Hi! We gotta have fast reflexes. Yeah, I'm a little bit dizzy here. This is not fun. This is my last will and testament. This dog, get out of here before I hit you. Before I hit you. Stop climbing furniture. Stop climbing furniture here. There you go. Go for that. Go for that. There you go. What's the matter, dog? She's really smelly. She's like, I can't trust my eyes.